In recent years, innovation and disruption from a range of industries have been drawn to the quick development of artificial intelligence. One of the most significant developments in AI is the introduction of generative models, which have the potential to fundamentally change how people live, work, and communicate. We are going to explore the fascinating growth of generative AI in this video, from the renowned Chat-GPT model to the cutting-edge Midjourney model. This is Chat-GPT versus Midjourney. But first of all, AI element of next future, videos about new concepts of AI, new intelligence, new AI software, tech, artificial intelligence tools, AI news, innovation, and anything else we find disruptive. AI is the most important tool innovation in the world to improve AI marketing, AI copy, AI business, AI software, AI art. AI Stable Diffusion is also a tutorial channel to help you in this new artificial way to work, to stay connected with your natural intelligence and use it to scale up yourself. The engineering that processes machine learning needs to start from natural learning data. For this reason, AI Stable Diffusion will radically change our approach to natural intelligence. This channel will teach you how to enhance your natural learning and put it at the service of automatic learning to gain an ethical and professional advantage. Welcome to AI Stable Diffusion. The majority of us are already aware of how quickly artificial intelligence is developing. Since the American artificial intelligence research organization OpenAI introduced Chat-GPT in November 2022, remarks on the subject have flowed into the popular press from users, developers, and even congressmen who code. A turning point in the history of generative AI was the development of the language model Chat-GPT. Built on the GPT-3 architecture, Chat-GPT demonstrated a considerable improvement in natural language generation and understanding, and it rose to the top of the list of large-scale transformer models capabilities. GPT-3 was already a potent AI model with 175 billion parameters, but Chat-GPT pushed the envelope further by optimizing the model expressly for conversational applications. As a result, Chat-GPT displayed unheard-of performance in producing text that reads like human speech, performing exceptionally well on tasks like translation, summarization, and question answering. The introduction of Chat-GPT API in 2021, which gave programmers access to the model and encouraged the development of several AI-powered applications, was one of the most significant turning points. In addition to heralding a new age in generative AI, Chat-GPT's success also served as a springboard for later innovations like the Midjourney model, which is still pushing the boundaries of AI. Chat-GPT's introduction has significantly changed how we connect in both professional and personal settings by being very good at comprehending and producing text that sounds like human speech. Chat-GPT has transformed a variety of industries and applications, from customer service to content creation. For instance, businesses have implemented Chat-GPT-powered chatbots to improve customer support interactions, offering quicker, more precise, and contextually appropriate responses around the clock. Customers are more satisfied as a result, and human support agents have less work to do. The creative industry has also seen substantial change as a result of Chat-GPT. Journalists, marketers, and content producers now have access to an AI-powered writing assistant. This helper can inspire them, provide engaging content for them, and even improve their work by providing feedback and adjustments. As a result, while maintaining high standards of quality, productivity, and efficiency have grown. Chat-GPT has fostered the development of AI-driven language learning tools, translation services, and even mental health support platforms that assist individuals in need by overcoming language barriers in terms of interpersonal communication. Chat-GPT is laying the groundwork for even more complex generative AI models like Midjourney, which promises to expand the scope of human-AI collaboration as it continues to transform communication in a variety of professions. A new era of AI-driven content development has been made possible by the emergence of generative AI models like Chat-GPT, which has caused a paradigm change in the content creation business. These models have proven to be remarkable at comprehending context, style, and tone, which makes them useful resources for a variety of content-related activities. Professionals in marketing and advertising are now among the first to gain from AI-driven content production, using generative models to produce compelling copy, social media material, and even lengthy blog posts. This has shortened processes and made it possible for marketers to create customized messaging to more successfully target particular audience segments. Businesses have experienced better brand recognition, higher conversion rates, and higher customer engagement as a result. In the journalism and media sector, AI-powered content generation has been used to produce data-driven stories more quickly than ever before, construct automated news summaries, and make event reports. This allows journalists to concentrate on more difficult jobs like investigative reporting and in-depth analysis, while news organizations can provide their readers with timely and accurate information. With AI-driven content production, the educational sector has also seen a shift. These models enable individualized learning experiences by creating study materials, tests, and exercises that are specifically catered to student learning preferences and development. Additionally, generative models are being utilized to develop screenplays, storylines for video games, and even poems, demonstrating how AI-powered content creation has a role in the entertainment industry. As generative AI develops further, we may anticipate further industry upheaval, more creative opportunities, and a shift in how we think about content production. Now, let's examine AI development. Chat-GPT to Midjourney. The development of AI from Chat-GPT to Midjourney exemplifies its astonishing advancement and ever-expanding potential. Chat-GPT revolutionized natural language interpretation and processing, opening the door for new AI models to investigate various fields. This development has been exploited by Midjourney, which focuses on producing visuals from verbal prompts, to revolutionize the fields of digital art and advertising. The development of these two cutting-edge AI technologies demonstrates the adaptability and power of the technology, and as research advances, we can anticipate a future that is even more dynamic and integrated, where natural language processing and imagery converge to produce cutting-edge, potent solutions in a variety of fields. Midjourney, on the other hand, is another artificial intelligence program made to produce graphics in a distinctively artistic manner. The independent research lab Midjourney Incorporated, situated in San Francisco, created a groundbreaking AI software known as Midjourney, which is revolutionizing the field of artificial intelligence. Similar to previous AI tools like OpenAI DALL-E and Stable Diffusion, this groundbreaking program is capable of producing images from natural language descriptions or prompts. While the precise technology that underpins Midjourney is still unknown, some specialists think that it might be based on Stable Diffusion. On July 12, 2022, Midjourney officially reached its open beta phase and has since established itself as a successful business. The Midjourney team, led by Leapmotion co-founder David Howes, provides its users with a distinctive experience by employing Discord bot commands to produce digital art. The software can only currently be accessed through the official Discord server, either by texting the bot directly or by inviting it to a different server. The Imagine command allows users to enter a prompt, after which the bot creates a collection of 4 images. After that, the user can pick the photos they want to upscale. The business is also creating a web interface to improve accessibility. Users can create photos with a free trial from Midjourney, which provides 3 subscription plans. After finishing around 25 jobs, users must subscribe in order to continue using the service. According to David Howes, many artists use Midjourney to swiftly iterate creative concepts for clients before beginning their own work, perceiving other artists as partners rather than competitors. Meanwhile, not everyone approves of Midjourney's impact on the art world. Some creatives claim that the platform undervalues their unique work by incorporating it into the practice set. To address these difficulties, the terms of service for Midjourney contain a DMCA takedown procedure that enables artists to request the removal of their work from the collection if they believe it violates their copyright. The advertising industry has embraced AI technology like Midjourney with speed, creating new options for advertisers by enabling them to quickly develop concepts and produce creative material. Ad Age and other industry experts predict that new AI capabilities will pave the way for the creation of tailored commercials for certain people, groundbreaking special effects, and increased e-commerce advertising efficiency. As Midjourney makes headlines in the artificial intelligence community, it is obvious that this cutting-edge AI technology has the potential to transform digital art and the advertising sector. Midjourney enables both artists and advertisers to push the limits of creativity by providing a special and effective technique to generate graphics using natural language prompts. It will be interesting to see how Midjourney develops to satisfy the ever-changing needs of its consumers as AI technology continues to grow. Do you think Chat-GPT is better than Midjourney considering their special uniqueness? Or can both work together to produce better content? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you in our next video.